that we've all had enough. What keeps you up at night, yeah. Make all the